There are 17 of these paths. They're historic. They're kind of baked into the fabric of Brookline. It's wonderful. That's what we're gonna do. So.
Fantastic.
When was it created?
All 17 of them? Up and down the park today?
We're gonna do kind of 4 or 5 of them today.
All right,
actually.
cool.
So pretty good. Well, which is called the City on the Hills Trail, which runs from Millennium Park in West Roxbury to Castle Island in South Boston. The motivating factor of that walk was to seek out the great hilltops of Boston. So you might not be surprised to learn that we're on the City on the Hills Trail right now, and we will be for kind of much of the next bit here. Exactly, yeah. And there's going to be a nice view at the top, and I hear there's something interesting halfway as well. Very much so. Okay.
Thank you for organizing again. 30. 11:30.
Sure, but we.
Oh, I see. You stand where you, on what month it is?
It's more.
Of course, right. Yeah. We have national parks in the middle of nowhere, but people live in cities. And wouldn't it be cool if we treated cities like national parks? We integrated planning, design, architecture. We integrated a park ethos in everything we did as city planners and as residents and people who live in a city.
Inside the mushroom places where we think we have something.
Hawk is over to our right of overhead.
Oh yeah, there you go. Doesn't look like it.
Let's try this.
It does have not that common. And it looks like white ash.